Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The 9-layer bun is a traditional Hakka snack. White and brown sugar is mixed with rice milk and then steamed. One layer is dark, the next is light, for a total of 9 layers. It's a unique snack that for Hakka people symbolizes moving upwards in the layers of society. Eaten all year, the snack is especially popular on September 9th or Double 9.
Hey folks, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zapsiu, here to talk more about the Hakka culture, about the Hakka food, and Leo is the expert, 我们的美食专家 Leo。
不敢当，不敢当。
最喜欢这样子介紹你了，因為今天呢，我還是要追問你有沒有什麼特別的客家美食啊？
對，我想到有一種東西，九層板。
九層板，
九層板就一定有9層。
真的是9層嗎？
對，
叫9層板。Okay, it's actually called, it's a 9-layer cake or the 9-layer ban. And Leo is pointing out that it actually literally has 9 layers. Okay, 那9層板，它到底是什麼東西？它是一個蛋糕嗎？還是它是主食？
不是。其實客家人大部分的東西都是用米來做的。
Oh, right. Okay.
而且呢，這個9層板它是用整勾。
整勾是什麼？
我就是真的啦。
真的，
不是假的，是真的。
是真的哦，真的用真的哦。
是。
Okay, so this is a delicacy that is steamed and it's made with rice because the Hakka love using the rice as the base for a lot of their food. And desserts as well. So,
然后它的做法其实也很简单，就是我们就把那个米浆调好之后呢，就先蒸第一层，然后第二层呢可能会加点无糖，就是黑糖。
黑糖 ，OK，
黑糖，然后所以它的颜色就不一样。就蒸第2层，然后再蒸一层是白色的加白糖的，再蒸另外一层，所以蒸了9次之后就变9层了。
而且加这个黑糖的话，就是为了让它颜色看得出来有9層了。
对，而且这个其实加无糖它的味道吃起来也比较不一样。
Yeah, okay. It's made with 9 layers, and they're all made with rice milk, but they add different coloring to each layer. Maybe they would use brown sugar in one layer, and then white sugar in the other layer, and eventually creating this 9-layer look. The brown sugar not only gives out the color difference, but it also adds different flavor to the whole dish. So, 我们以後還要再介紹更多的甜點了，我相信。
對。
All right. So that's called the 9-layer ban made with rice milk. Try it next time if you have a chance. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
我們睇下，
和子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.